We have developed 2 applications using Play framework, one using Akka framework actor system, and now we are in section 4. With section 4, we will be looking at developing standard ping pong actors example application using message passing pattern of Akka framework. Now, a quick intro about ping pong example. When I first started to learn about Java threading, there was a famous ping pong example which you could Google and look at online to get a basic idea of how threading works. Now, to overcome the complexity of threading, we'll be looking at implementing this ping pong actors example using Akka framework in Scala. So let's get started. With this first video, we will look at configuring. So I'll start with creating a new project, a Scala SPT project. Say next. I will define the name for our application as ping pong. We'll keep other settings as it is. As you can see, it has started creating some SPT configuration for our project. So as you can see, it has already added a build.sbt file. It's still doing it here, trying to create a project structure from SPT. So we'll wait for it to complete. Now, as we are developing an Akka framework based application, we'll add one of the resolver from typesafe repository, and we'll add the library dependency for Akka from typesafe again. Now, you can find the documentation about this on doc.akka.io, which is very standard documentation provided by Akka framework. Now, let's see what we really need from resolver's perspective. Now this is very standard. You don't need to remember or you don't need to look for this. You can always Google and you can find out what resolver you need for any application you are building. Now I'll add the library dependency as well. Now I'm using 2.5.16 version of Akka actor from typesafe Akka library, which is not compatible with the latest Scala version. So I will use one of the previous one, 2.12.6, and let's see whether our build.sbt is able to successfully build the project. I will do sbt clean compile, and as you can see, this has compiled successfully. I've used sbt clean compile for building the sbt project from build.sbt. Now we have got the build configuration for our ping pong actor application. In the next video, we'll be looking at defining some of the actors, basically ping and pong actor for our application. Now this section is for intermediate level programmers. So we'll be looking at different patterns of Akka framework. We'll be looking at Akka hierarchy, and we will look at more complex bits of developing active based application